Shocking, isn't it? Hello people, Zep20 here. Today, we are playing Motocross Madness. My controller wouldn't be so mean to me today, and be really happy about that. But yeah, Motocross Madness. You can play as your avatar in this game. In fact, it's encouraged that you have an avatar. And it's take a while to load, pause it during loading screens. And we're in game. So, this is Motocross Madness. Oh, gosh darn it. Hold on, let me turn off the light. There we go, that's better. That's way better. Alright, continue my career. No controller. No. Not today. So these are the areas you can play in. You can play as the Dunfield, oh gosh darn it. Hold on 1 second. Okay, they gotta fix their problem. Now, there's a bunch of different places we can go to. The races, trick section, rivals, exploration, trick, and all that stuff. I'm gonna do a race. Yeah, I'm gonna do a race just to show you, and then I'll show you as much as I can with each one. First we'll do a race. I'll do the first race, because I haven't played in a while. Probably gonna destroy everyone. Loading screen, pause it. That was a long loading screen, but some other people. Here I am. Because my bike is really fast, I'm just going to destroy these guys. Oh, this ain't good. That ain't good. Ah, that ain't good. Let's try this again. Let's restart. Normally I don't do this, but that was just awful. Trying to remember how to do tricks. I'll remember eventually. Nope, that's not how you do tricks. There we go, that's how you do tricks. Whee! Oh shit, too fast. Too fast. It takes too long sometimes, but I'm way ahead, so it's alright. Oh, I'm doing good so far, so that's good. What the frick happened? If you're not fast enough, you'll crash like that. If you don't land fast enough, you'll crash. I'm crashing. Oh, what the frick? Where'd that boat come from? What the frick? Now I'm in... What place am I in? I'm in second. Won't be for long. I'm in first. Gosh darn it! That turn always gets me, and it's a pain in the arse. Oh, there we go. We're going down. Going down, I guess. Let's use my boost in a few seconds. How do I use my boost? Ah, there we go. Whee! Oh crap, my controller. Controller, no! Controller, no! Why would you do this, controller? Like, really? This pisses me off. Good thing I had some boost. Oh, that was a tree. That was a tree. Gosh darn it, man. Alright, I should be able to pass these guys easily. The Dragonfleur. I'm first already. That was fast. Oh, that was close. I almost didn't land that. Aha! I actually sort of made that turn this time. Boom! That's gold! So that's just the race. I'm going to pause it until I get to another event. Oh, when you win, something like this happens.
Now you gotta find a way to spin that pile of gold.
Yay, victory! Okay, moving on. Alright, we're back here now. You can do a trick session, which where you race and do tricks at the same time. Rivals, where you race your rivals. There's a bug on the screen. What the hell? Get out of here. Get out of here. Darn bugs. Alright, and the exploration, where you can just go anywhere and collect things. There's a bunch of different areas you could do it in too. I'm just going to do it in this place. And, yeah, let's just have some exploration just for fun. Show you around. I'll pause it until we're in. Alright, welcome to exploration. In this game mode, you literally just do whatever the hell you want. Just bike around, collect skulls and coins as you're driving, and just generally have fun. See, I just screwed up. One of my favorite areas to go to, by the way, is there's a mountain that I like to go up on and just throw myself off. It's fun. That fly is back on the screen again. It looks like a mayfly. Shoot, in the water. Get out of here. Right, got rid of the fly. Oh. So this is basically it. You just explore. There's a bunch of different areas you can go. If you go where you need to go. That's a wall. I'm so bad at this. I haven't played it. I just barely played it. I haven't played very much of it. But it's a lot of fun. Especially when you get full boost. Yay! And now we're in the ruins. Each area is different. It's a lot of fun. Like, this is the track that I was racing on. You guys remember? But that's not what I'm doing today. I'm going up here. Exploration! Yay! You can literally scale mountains with your bike. If your bike's fast enough, of course. And strong enough. And plus boosts help too. Oh, I just jumped over. Okay. That's fine. Oh, and I landed it. Cool. Whee! Oh shit, controller. Oh shit. Well, what the frick? What is going That was funny. Now let's get back up on this mountain. There, we're back up here. Cool. Oh, there's a thing over there I want. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Don't you dare slide off the mountain. Gosh, that's so annoying. Yay, I got a coin. Yay. There's another fly on the screen. And it's really annoying. But, oh, it fell off like an idiot. Hey, Mozzarella. Keep falling. No, why would you stop there? Ah. Anyway, this was Motocross Madness. I hope you guys all enjoyed this random video. And, yeah, like and subscribe, whatever you want. I don't really care. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Derp, 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 derp. Bye.